guys, I'm actually gonna try something. It's called holiday caramel dipped pretzels rods with chocolatey drizzle and sprinkles. There's 6 of them. So let's pick out a couple because I'm kind of hungry and I can have a snack. Here's the first one I'm gonna have, and I think they're all the same. So I am gonna eat 2. I'm not gonna eat it all, so let's put these back. 2. Let's open one at a time, see how good these taste. I'm gonna have a little snack. I normally don't do this, but this looks really good. Oh my gosh, that's actually good. My mom got these at Mejier, and these are pretty darn good. Okay. Here's the last one. That was good. These are good. But this is all for today's video. I keep on saying that, but I keep making videos. But these are good. I totally recommend. 10 out of 10.